Here we are today. I finally get to try out my new tires, snow tires, Michelin Ice, X-Ice, on a 2012 Dodge Charger that ain't worth the crap on the snow with the regular tires. So I heard good ratings for these, so I'm gonna rate them right now. We're gonna go through a snowstorm right now in Chicago. So let's see how it does. Get my seatbelt on. This car does not have all-wheel drive, so I'm working with only rear-wheel drive. Here we go. Off the start, there's like 3-4 inches. No sliding, goes through it pretty damn good. No problems. Let's see on stopping. Stops pretty good. Starts back up pretty good. No, I didn't get stuck. I would have got stuck already. No one's even out shoveling so early. Probably no one's gonna be out. It's gonna snow all day. But what a difference already I could see. I mean, you put a set of snow tires on a Charger RT rear wheel drive, you're gonna make it to work. This thing, these tires have been told that perform better than a four-wheel drive vehicle. I'm starting to think that. There we go. Turning's good. Yeah, this is just way better tire than what I'm used to. I was gonna take my four-wheel truck today to work because I got about a 30-minute drive. And what's the point when you got snow tires on the car? There's a big patch of snow right here. I'll go through that. No problem. You got your stopping power. Yeah, no problem. These tires are the best. If you're looking for a good tire, like I say, Michelin X-Ice, it's a snow tire. I'm rating it at 5 stars. No problem. I mean, no sliding. When you're stopping, it's gripping when you're taking off. And like I said, I got the 5.7 Hemi. Look at this guy. He's slid. And he ain't got no snow tires. Those are those stupid all-season tires. Then when they sell you that crap, that all-season shit, it's no good. It's no good. All season. You have to have snow tires or four-wheel drive when you're driving snow. That's all it's to it. Otherwise, you ain't gonna make it to your destination. It's gonna be a struggle and you're gonna get stuck all the time. Or front-wheel drive. I have front-wheel drive cars. Front-wheel drive cars are good too. But yeah, unfortunately the roads are plowed, so I can't show you any more deep snow. I'll do a part 2 video of this because we're supposed to get hit all day. So we'll go with part 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.